Hello everyone. This month feels different. And what's coming next on this channel feels different too. March is not just another thing planned with me. It feels like the beginning of something softer, something more intentional. So today I want to share what's shifting and then plan March with you. If you're new here, I'm Nani. I design digital planner stickers and I have been sharing my monthly plan with me videos where each month tells a little story through my character Nani Penguin. Planning has always been my creative outlet, my way to bring color and imagination into everyday life. But lately, it's been becoming something more. In January, I was so excited. That's when I introduced Nani Penguin as my main character. I had this idea that every month would be a new adventure for her, a new theme, a new little world. January felt fresh, full of possibility. I just wanted to create and explore. Then February came. Paris in love, red tones, hearts, Valentine's energy. It was romantic and playful and beautiful. I loved building that world for her. But as March was getting closer, something started to feel different. Nani didn't feel like just a character anymore. Almost without planning it, I started sketching tiny baby penguins. It wasn't strategic. It wasn't a product idea. It was spontaneous. And suddenly, those baby penguins felt like my twins. Then I added that penguin to complete the little family. And that's when it clicked. This wasn't just a theme spread anymore. It was us. I didn't want this family to live inside one decorative monthly layout. My main goal this year isn't just to create beautiful spreads. It's to create memorable moments with my family and to keep them. As a twin mom, an army wife, a small business owner, and a full-time worker, life moves fast. Sometimes it's chaos. Sometimes it's calm. But it never really stops. And I don't want to accidentally plan through it. I want room for real memories, to hold visits, small milestones, and ordinary days. So for March, I decided to go simpler. It's still colorful, still cozy, still me. But not tightly tied to a big theme. Just soft tones, a little warmth, something that feels like new light. This month, digital planning is becoming what it was always meant to be for me. A place to plan my appointments, my to-do lists, my responsibilities in all areas of my life. But now, I want to add something else. I want to include journaling. Just 5 to 10 minutes a day to remember small details or big ones, to capture things before they disappear into the blur of the routine. And this is something I have dreamed about for a long time. I want to create a digital scrapbook for my family, starting from the day my twins were born. They turned 6 months just a few days ago. 6 months. And that milestone made me realize I don't want these moments to be forgotten. The contact naps, the messy laundry days, the late night feedings, the tiny smiles, the random movie nights. So now, the penguin family will go on adventures too. Not fantasy adventures, real life ones. Laundry days, park walks, grocery runs, Sunday visits, ordinary Tuesdays, because those are the ones I want to keep. So if this resonates with you, if you're a mom or a mom-to-be or someone who wants to slow down and actually remember your life, I would love for you to join me. Not only in decorative productivity, but in cozy journaling, in digital scrapbooking, in memory keeping. March feels like the beginning of preserving, not just planning. This feels like a softer season. This feels like a new light. This feels like yellow. So this month, we're not just planning pages. We're starting something a little more meaningful. A space where planning and memory keeping can live together. Where ordinary days become little stories worth saving. And if that's something you've been wanting to do, I'd love for you to come along with me. Maybe together we can create a small habit of noticing the moments that matter and giving them a place to live. Because life moves fast, but the memories we choose to keep can last forever. So let's plan our days and preserve our stories too. And today we'll start with March. And if you want these March stickers, they're available as a free download on my Instagram this month. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.